another video, cause yes, this thing was messed up, man. I tell you, that little thing right there, that governor's fine and everything, but this son of a gun, man. I tell you, I took the valve cover off. No, nope. Took the carburetor off. Yes. As you can see, there's the jets and there's the carburetor. You know about them, cause you work on them and such. The BO2, that stuff works, but I put it in there and nothing happens. My hands smell like gasoline. You might hear me coughing. It's nasty stuff. This thing's been running like crap. And I took the carburetor off, bolt by bolt, and just cleaned it out real good and make sure it's okay. Well, tomorrow I'm gonna make a disassemble video how to clean your carburetor. If you want to watch me clean it. Oh crap, gonna be gasoline everywhere. I tried draining it. Oh, gasoline on the cut, man, hurts. And basically, I tried cleaning it out. Tried freaking doing all kinds of stuff. Basically, how you take your carburetor apart. First of all, a man came over here telling me, hey, you need help with that one? No. I knew what I was doing. I mean, I turned this on, choked it, and, basically what you do is choke it. Piece of junk. I think it got stale gas, and I think the gas line's bad on it. I don't know. There's a problem with it. Well, it's broken, maybe. Maybe broken, maybe not. I smell gas everywhere, man. And that's the video for today. I showed you this right here, the carburetor. And I think the problem is this little hole that runs directly in there. It's plugged full of old stale gas, and once I unplug it, it'll probably run correctly. Well, that's going to be a pain to get back on. A pain. If you know in pain, it's a pain in the butt to get back on. There's so many steps. Put the gas line on, put the vent hose on, put the freaking everything on. So this is the end of the video. It's a quick tutorial video. I'm going to make a video how to install the next. Make sure to comment, rate, and subscribe. Okay. Thumbs up the video, whatever. That's the end of it for today. I took the carburetor off of it. What, them they're playing their games or something. Okay, stay tuned for more. Bye.